Alright, you guys, we are finally here. Say what's up, Evie? I do like that. That's a nice setup. That's a real nice setup.
I like this. This here.
Huh?
One on here.
With the white. See, and the black do look good with it.
Blackwood and white. Great.
Blackwood and white.
Blackwood and white.
I mean, we can still do the black. Everything else is basically matching the colors.
Maybe need one of these. Hey, this is like our house, but
Yeah, a little bit.
kind of weird. This she need one of these.
What's that called? An easel?
She need an easel.
She need an easel. Evie,
She
you
can
need an
doodle.
easel
Doodle easel.
so you can doodle. We are IKEA shopping, y'all.
But bigger. For all the cooking that I do.
You don't do no cook. I do all the cooking. What you mean? Nah, you do cook. And this is where we got the
Nursery chair.
nursery chair. Yeah,
Oh, look, there's those chairs.
that was before Evie was born.
Are those leather?
Let's check it. Let's see. They might be suede. Yeah, those are suede. Cuddy wood. Tear those up. They are. Let me see.
Those would be kind of cool with gray.
I'm trying to see if I can find the price of them. Unless they 16. Nah.
It would say chair. Or down.
Let's
Hold on,
see.
you can't get down.
I like these chairs.
Watch her for a second.
She good.
You can't get down there.
Ew. Is that it?
No, that's the rug.
It's the rug. I like these chairs. Comment down below if you like these chairs, guys.
Yes.
They nice.
Yes, and you curve back, so you kind of lean back already.
Come on, follow us.
Let's go this way.
Fix the head. She looking crazy.
You're looking crazy.
You looking crazy, girl.
They got one.
You looking crazy, girl.
Come on.
Come on. I'm coming. Headed to the next room, guys.
Let's see.
Wow, that's Evie seat right there. You want me to sit on this little thing right here? I can't sit right there.
Don't sit on this. Your turn. You can sit down.
I'll sit down right here. How about this? Oh, these are
That's
nice.
what I'm saying. They're comfortable.
I like these. You like these, Evie? You like them? I like these. I don't know, you guys. What you think? We won't get these colors. We'll probably get like the mustard color right there.
Or this beige color.
Or the beige color.
I like this one.
Comment down below. They're like the brown ones. I really like the brown ones, but
Well, I bet we could get those. I wonder if they sell the display ones.
I don't know. We just gotta know where to put it on. Huh?
Who to ask?
I can ask
Oh, yeah,
somebody.
because they're already... It's a shark.
It's attacking Evie. Oh no, she just body slammed the shark. Yeah, it was a shark. Oh no, that is crazy. Where to next? Let's go to the next room. This is so cool. Oh yeah, like outdoor back porch setting. We could most definitely do something like that. Yeah, it's like furry. Yeah, furry chair. You look good with that. Oh yeah, that's you. That's you. Next room. You like that? You like that chair? Huh? Okay. Not yet. Come on, let's go. Let's follow Mama. Come on. Let's go. Let's go to Mama. It's a snake. It's a big snake. Wow. You got a, that's a big snake.
$10 snake. Put it back. I'm just kidding.
That's a big snake right there, man.
Okay. Have we accepted the snake as our own? Cody's gonna freak out. Take him home. I gotta get this right now.
Those are the cabinets, you guys, we came for. Getting this. Seem pretty cool. Alright. And Ashley. Alright, cool.
And that one down there.
Maybe that one.
And that one. You heard it here.
Maybe. Might not even have enough room to fit all of that.
We can throw you out.
Huh?
We can throw you out.
Yeah, like you gonna drive.
You're correct.
Y'all both be stranded. You throw me out.
Well, really hard to be in the bathroom and stuff.
Okay, so we found the cabinets that we need for the studio slash. Hey, there I go. Found me. You see the monkeys. The monkeys. For the what?
The restaurant. You smell food?
Oh yeah, I do smell food. Huh? This where we got her bed from?
No, we got her bed from Walmart.
Oh, Walmart.
But it looks like these.
Got you.
Probably been cheap in here.
What?
It's probably been cheap in here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
There's the easel.
Easels. I don't know why I feel like we got an easel.
A big towel. Or is that one? Okay.
No, the one she got is fine.
She got one towel.
That's fine. That's all she needs. It's for her.
Here we go.
We did get an easel.
We did. What are you talking about? We didn't get an easel. We got a tiny, teeny, tiny one from the dollar section at Target.
I could have sworn we
Look,
had
we
one.
could get her chair to match our chair.
That would be funny.
Oh.
That's hilarious. What, Evie? You see a doggy? But you got a snake.
Yeah, you got a snake.
You got a big snake. Looks like a dinosaur almost. That's what you got. Going through the restaurant. All Swedish food. Why you got Swedish food in Memphis? We need some barbecue in Memphis.
Barbecue.
All right, next room. We are at the next room, and we're looking for Mama's rolly cart. Does it matter what color?
I want white to match the room back there. Everything else we're getting is white.
Just to match the cabinets in the entertainment system.
Oh, well, this is too gray.
You're too gray.
Okay. Oh, we need to get another shower.
One of what showers? Oh, the waterfall shower head.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, I guess.
What?
Yeah. Why would that one cost less?
The
than
water
that
pressure.
one? Oh, the pressure amount?
Oh, I don't need that. I gotta have pressure on my head.
Yeah. Like you ain't got enough. What's up down there? How y'all doing? All right behind you. Headed to the next room. Let's go. The things we do for our kids. We are literally going to get a $1 pillow. A $1 pillow just so she can lay her head down.
It's in a package. Do I open it?
I don't know. What's wrong with that one?
You can't buy that one. That's the thing. I bet I could open it and just keep the package.
Why? Just leave it in the package.
The purpose of it is to put it in the cart so you can lay down.
The logic behind getting a pillow just for her to lay her head down in the cart is so bougie.
Bougie?
Are you bougie? Yep, you bougie. This woman is breaking an entry.
We're gonna keep the package. I want to open it.
Breaking an entry. No, nothing to be a part of that. Oh no, they got cameras on you.
Keep that there. All right, hold on there. Move your snake.
Mama's paying for that.
Okay.
It costs $199. You see the price? It's $199 just for the pillow. It's not $1.99 for all of you guys that saying it's $1.99.
Hey, where is
It's not. It's in the car. No, we leave that in the car. She don't need it. We're trying to break them apart. You love it more than she does, apparently. What? You need one to keep you calm. That's right. I said it. Keep you calm, you thigh cracker. Whatever. Next room. Ivy, are you relaxed? She curled up like a princess. She got her snake. She got on some of this fur right here that came from the land, not down under, but over there.
over there?
Yeah, it came from the land over there.
Over under through there?
She laying on a pillow, you guys, with a snake wrapped around her neck, and she is chilling. Bougie. I told you.
We got a bougie baby. Okay.
It's a bougie baby. It's bougie baby season.
That's the color of our pillow.
No, it's not that dark.
It's not that yellow either.
It's close to that color.
You need some velvet?
No, we don't need no
These are
velvet.
just the pillows.
Cuddy will eat those. Hey, you guys, comment down below if you got animals that tear up everything. Like, I'm not a cat person, but she a cat person.
I love cats.
But she didn't tell me that
He's weird.
cats was gonna cut up your furniture like they do. I knew nothing about that. I'm a dog person.
She's not a cat.
We have to go get all the stuff that we want.
You're probably going to have to push the pallet thing.
Yeah, once we get it all. But alright, you guys, we are at the end of the road, done with our IKEA. We gotta go and collect all the things that we picked out. So we will see you guys back at the car. Everybody say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Evie.
Bye, Evie.
Alright, you guys, we'll see y'all there. Alright, peace. Alright, guys, we are finally done. Look at these boxes.
You hold it down.
Look at these boxes, man.
I can't even see the magnet.
Oh my goodness. You will go broke at IKEA. I'm telling you. Oh, you can go in there and buy the whole store. Evie, what you want? We got boxes on the small cart. And then we got a big crate of boxes over here. Guess what's in those boxes right there? I mean, you already know what we came for. We came for like the studio equipment, the desk for the office and studio and all of that. But that's not what's in these boxes. The cabinets are in these boxes up here. But guess what's in these boxes right here? These big boxes. You'll have to stay tuned for that.
Oh, we gotta get in the car.
It's exciting. It's exciting.
Your sweetie's in there.
Evie, what's going on with you, girl?
Your sweetie's in there.
Now, we're going to have to try to fit these big mama jamas in the back of this. We can do it. We can do it, guys. I believe that we can do it. We can do it. It is cold. It's getting dark, and we still in Memphis. We still got a 3-hour drive ahead of us back to the house. Oh, but anyway, we will see you when we get back in the car, back on the road, headed back home. We will see you then. All right, peace. Okay, you guys, we are finally back at the house from IKEA. I punched you?
Yeah.
Bow! We are finally back at the house. We got a whole bunch of stuff from IKEA. Oh my goodness, we went and spent more than what we thought we was gonna spend, but we got a lot of good stuff, man, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So stay tuned. We're gonna reveal what was in those boxes here soon. I don't know if we're gonna take it out on a video, on another video, or we're just gonna take it out and then show y'all. But I can't wait for y'all to see what was in the boxes. It is something that is gonna go good with the house theme and everything. It's pretty crazy, I would say.
Sunshine.
It's pretty crazy. Like, I wouldn't have thought ever in life that I would get something like this, but I did it, and it kind of goes with the house theme. House tour coming soon when we get through with everything. We're gonna fix up the back room. We're gonna, oh, and I'm gonna show y'all again. Come on, let's show them again. Yeah, you guys, this is the back room right here. Oh, Lord. Look at that. It's a habit.
You forget I'm short. Nobody can see me.
Look, I can see you.
Yeah, because now you're holding it like that.
You want to hold it like this? Well, anyway, we stopped by the ice cream shop, got us some ice cream. We had to hit up the ice cream, you know what I'm saying? And now we're about to get ready to eat. But anyway, this is the room that we're going to change up, this back room. Right now it has our workout equipment and an old computer desk over there, old bookshelf, got a piano, and got our press that we use for the business right there. But yeah, you guys, soon we're going to do a reveal. Evie coming in. Oh, and we got this snake.
Lucinda the snake.
That is Cedric the snake.
What?
Oh, it don't matter.
This snake's name done changed like 5 times.
It don't matter. It's an IKEA snake
Snake
that I didn't plan on buying, but like I said, we got a lot of things that I didn't plan on buying, but I got it anyway. But for the most part, it was a win. We had fun. Either you have fun at IKEA? Yeah.
IKEA?
And Mama, you have fun?
Yes.
Daddy had fun. Cuddy? Cuddy, you have fun? Cuddy? Cuddy? Cuddy?
You love that.
You have fun, Cuddy? Cuddy eyes look demonic. But anyway, you guys, yeah. This is the room.
Night-night.
We're going to change it up.
Mommy's going night-night.
We're not going night-night.
Mommy's going night-night.
We still got to eat.
Mommy's going to take a nap.
Anyway, you guys, we love you. We hope you like this video, this vlog, this family vlog. We hope you like it, love it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And we will see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.